Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I've got a super cool chopstick trick for you. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. So anyway, bam, there's the trick. A couple things before we get into this video. You're going to be using the Yo-Yo Friends koi for this tutorial. And this video is obviously sponsored by Go Yo-Yo UK. So you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. One more thing is that this will be my last tutorial of the year. It won't be my last tutorial ever, but there's loads of exciting plans for next year, so I hope you like all of those. Otherwise, yeah, let's get straight into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll, not into trapeze, instead over your index finger like so. From there, you're going to do a chopstick with your thumb, sort of like you're rolling into a brother, but just like that. From there, you're going to roll onto that chopstick, right? So it should look like this. So, thumb, cut the thumb, and then you're going to pinch with your thumb and index finger and do a trapeze slack, catching this slack here. This should leave you in a mount that looks like a beef hook. From there, you're going to release the yo-yo off your index finger and then land on this back string here, coming from underneath. Then you can pull this front string through and you would have made the tower. And then from there you can drop and bind. And that is the whole trick. It's quite short for you this time, but either way, I hope you enjoyed it. I will admit the chopsticks look a lot harder than they actually are, and the main thing with them is just remembering to push in, and also keeping your hands spread apart, because when you make your hands wider, it just gives you a bit more area to catch in, right? And then obviously you can bind. So anyway, yeah, I'll go over this trick one more time for you, and then you can be on your merry way. So, undermount, sort of, and then chopstick, chopstick, slack, and then tension hook into tower, and then bind. And anyway, yeah, that is the whole trick. So, from me and from Go Yo-Yo, I would like to wish you a happy new year. And otherwise, yeah, subscribe, comment, all that nonsense, and peace.